me not use the word dictionary. I have the word dick in it. No man can't predict nothing to me. Me not work so. Me not deal with that something there. You understand? Me not keep bald-head friend neither. Let me tell you why me not keep bald-head friend. I see a youth when I grow with in New York and the man say, long time I don't see my youth, if you come on my fire. Tell the man about no come on your yard, my lad, I want you. I go forward. So him say, alright, forward come on my yard, forward come. My lad, I don't like that. Sound too ecstasy, my lad. So him say, alright, forward. I make we play some domino and thing and all a reasoning. I say, alright, what time? Him say 8 o'clock. I reach at the man yard about 7:58, you know, and knock on the man door. He going to ask me how that. So I say, I King Selassie, cha, Rastafari Pitney. Man, I tell me about too much on the outside. And one man me invite on him something there. Disrespect. I drive from Kingston forward on Mobile. And me a speed a little bit and my brethren I drive, you know. The police pull over the man. So he must say, police behind me. I say, go and drive because I burn my spliff. He must say, no, we are going to get locked up. I say, go and drive. We're good. When the man finally pull over now, the police come. Hey, you know you was speeding? I say, alright. So he look for me and I tell me, say, you look like he's a smart ass. I say, fire. Or if you know say my ass smart, my lad. So the man starts smelling at the car now. And talk about him smell weed. I say, me too. So him say it smell like it a come out of the car. I say it smell like it a come off of you. Some setup thing you are dealing with. So he asks my brethren for him documents and them things and go back in him car. So my brethren are going to tell me, boy, my lad, if you lock your mouth, you know, because they're going to lock you up and I say, I'm not drive, I'm going to lock you up. I'm not drive Rasta. Police boy forward now and forward back of the car now. And look for my brethren and give him about 6 tickets, you know. Speeding and all kind of sitting and all kind of thing. And box my brethren in face, you know. So I just kiss my teeth when I see the box run. Police boy said, don't drive over here, don't drive off here. I want to talk to him. He said, me? He said, yo. And the man started walking around on my side, but through his old vehicle, may I roll up the glass on him, you know. So when he reached at the car window now, he must say, roll down the glass. I said, roll down which glass? He said, you know, hear me say, wind down the glass. I said, fire. No man for tell no man about for wind down, I want you. Move up. Man say, if you don't roll down the glass, I'm going to break it. So throw me no want to mash up Selassie's son face. Roll down the window for him. You know the man box me in my face. I'm look at him and say, what you dealing with Rasta? You box me in my face. Man say, you look like one of them man that throw me box your bridging. You drive off and go down the road, you go tell the man, say, if I be him, couldn't box me, so. So me just box the two out at one time. Idiot thing that. I feel like the man all day too, you know. Fire for you, you know. If you're there, fire. And move up too. That's what I say in the whole heap of time, but I just come to bless up the people. And you see me, I say, bless up on yourself.